Hello guys, this is a review that from cell phone that I got from China, exactly from Gearbest, and I got the Kingzone S2, a pretty nice and cheap cell phone. This cost me around $40, and let's check this out. We have all these features: Wi-Fi, GPS, FM radio, dual SIM, and it has a metal frame, 4.5 IPS screen, and a camera, 5 megapixel camera. Let's see the inside. It comes the phone right here, and let's see the box. What's inside? We have only the USB cable and a European adapter, and also comes with a South American adapter. Just plug it in and it's ready to charge like this. And it also comes with a little sticker with the IMEI number and a quick start guide. It has no cases nor headphones. It only comes with the cell phone and the USB cable and the charger, and no more. And this is the phone. I already charged it. It has the Android 6. Pretty nice, very fluid. You can see here, and let me see the settings, and it comes with the phone, Android version 6, Marshmallow, and that's it. This is the Kingzone S2.